Another day, another round of vaccinations. At this centre in Giffnock, COVID vaccines are being delivered, with extra encouragement for the youngest in line.
One of my friends, they got their ears pierced and they were really scared. And I told them, the needle goes for your ear. It's kind of the same except less worse. And then they're like, true, but I'm still scared. And then I'm like, don't be.
Important just to make sure that we're all doing our bit so we can stay open and not sort of revert back to where we were before.
But according to a report from Public Health Scotland, noticeably less people of ethnic minority and pregnant women have been vaccinated. Vaccine uptake has been lower in children aged 5 to 11 and significantly lower in people of colour. These music artists in Edinburgh say nothing in the report is surprising. They are part of a leading charity supporting young black and young people of colour in Scotland.
The majority of women that I know are scared to get the vaccine for fear of it causing infertility because of the lack of it being tested enough before us taking it.
I just think that it's a lack of trust really in the government and just
in health professionals. We don't see enough black and people of colour in governing roles and in higher up positions as doctors or in the government or whatever, so we don't see ourselves represented there, so we don't feel safe in those spaces.
Radio presenter Manulika Singh covered the issue many times throughout the pandemic. She says misinformation has been a key concern.
People were not sure about that it will make them infertile or these vaccines can make them weak. So these were the rumours going around, and that has to be dealt with right away for our community.
Early recommendations from today's report include a mix of flexible and targeted approaches to reach and offer support to everyone in the community.
I think that the uptake has reduced, and I think it's important that people understand that we are here to help. So there is a lot of maybe miscommunication and things, and we are here to answer questions as well. It's not just about coming down to getting vaccinated.
The hope that future vaccination numbers will remain high, but also equal across the population. Laura Piper, STV News.